Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be talking about the top 4 crystal healing benefits of working with white calcite, the stone of spiritual awakening. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you're new to the channel, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life. And today we're going to be doing that with white calcite, to see how you might be able to incorporate some work with white calcite into your everyday life situations. And if you've been watching my videos and my channel and you're not yet subscribed, please do subscribe, because I post 4 videos a week about how you can use crystals and gemstones into your everyday life, and you really don't want to miss a single one. Today we're talking about white calcite. This is the mother of the calcite family. And I've been covering all of the different colors of calcite. I haven't covered them all yet, but I will, because calcite is a gemstone that's just really near and dear to my life. And it comes in nearly every color. But all of the base properties of calcite stem from this mother stone of white calcite. So whether it's yellow, orange, blue, green, all of those different colors of calcite all provide these supportive benefits in their own special way that is related to the chakras that they're attuned to. And they also each have some other extra healing benefits, like blue calcite is really good for empathic people. And so today we're going to talk about the stone where everything starts, white calcite, the stone of spiritual awakening here. And the first property of calcite and all calcite is that it's extremely cleansing. And white calcite is the most powerful of the calcite family. And it provides just a really deep, energetic reset to your body, to your personal energy, to your mood, to your environment. Anywhere where you keep calcite, you're going to experience a feeling of freshness, of lightness, that the dark mood has lifted, that the heavy feeling in the room has dissipated. This is excellent to use if you're moving into a new home, a new workspace, if you're setting up a new spiritual practice area, a new meditation area. White calcite is excellent to use to give the area a really good deep cleansing before you set it up and start using that space. You can grid this around the room or your home, and gridding means to place multiple pieces in different areas of the room, like maybe a piece in every corner of the room or on the 4 corners of your meditation area. This, combined with selenite, are also excellent for cleansing your gemstones and crystals. If you have some that are delicate or you don't want to place out in the sunlight, then white calcite and selenite are just excellent to keep with your crystals and gemstones, to keep them constantly fresh and renewed and from accumulating any heavy or negative energies. So the second benefit of working with white calcite is that it strengthens your intuitive and psychic abilities, like deeply. This is a stone that opens and clears all of your chakras, it cleanses your auric system, and it dramatically opens your crown chakra. So it will help you receive guidance from the universe, from your spirit, from your higher self. It's going to make you a lot more attuned to messages from outside of you, and it will help make them really clear and obvious. So if this is something you've really been wanting to work with, white calcite is an excellent stone to meditate with on a regular basis. But do be aware of the effects of it, much like clear quartz. It's going to kind of make you a white open beacon, so you may tend to attract some curious spirits. If that's the case, then make sure to keep some black tourmaline around if you want to keep your space also guarded. So black tourmaline isn't going to close down your ability to receive the messages, but it will keep you safe while you open up. So this is also a good stone to use before you are doing any kind of intuitive practices. Like if you're going to read tarot, then sitting for a moment with the white calcite on the deck as you meditate will help you connect with the deck and open up to the messages that you can receive with that. And this can be used with any kind of intuitive practice as well. So the third benefit of working with white calcite is that it dramatically accelerates spiritual development. Of course, it's very cleansing. It's been opening you up in the crown and down your chakras. And it dissolves any blocks that you may have in the way of your spiritual progress. And these could be mental blocks, like lack of confidence or not feeling like you're ready for it or that you can do it. It could be emotional blocks, like you feel like it's a little too overwhelming. It could be karmic blocks, lessons that you need to learn or acknowledge or let go of from the past that are blocking your spiritual progression. So white calcite is an excellent stone to have with you if you are taking spiritual classes, you're learning new practices, you're reading new spiritual books or texts, because it's going to help you absorb that new knowledge. And also, we're holding white calcite while you're doing these new practices or rituals will help you get into that space a lot quicker and start feeling the effects of that practice a lot faster. And then finally, the last benefit of white calcite, which is unique to white calcite, is that it helps you develop emotional intelligence. Now, what does that mean? Like, emotional intelligence is our ability to be aware of and experience and work with our emotions in a balanced and healthy way. That we feel like we're connected with our feelings, that we don't bottle them up, that we express them in appropriate ways, and that we have appropriate empathy and compassion for the emotions of other people. So if you're feeling a little closed off from your emotions, that you haven't been able to connect with them, or you know that you're pushing them off to the side so that you don't need to feel them, then white calcite's a good stone to help bring that back to you, to enable you to work with them and process them. And if you feel like you're emotionally disconnected from other people, then this will help you find that emotion towards other people and to receive it from others. Again, this is a stone that works pretty rapidly. So if you feel overwhelmed by any of the effects of white calcite, then make sure to have a grounding stone with you afterwards to help you bring you down from white calcite. It's not going to negate the effects, but it will help bring you back to your body and help dissipate any, say, excess energy or excess opening you may have experienced from working with white calcite. So thank you so much for joining me today to talk about Mother Calcite, as I call it. It's an incredibly powerful gemstone, and this is one of the ones that I can feel the effects of it really quickly as soon as I pick it up, even if I haven't worked with it for a while, because it's a really strong energy. Oh. So thank you so much for joining me today. And if you did feel like white calcite's a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then in 2 days, I'll be posting a guided meditation with white calcite. Now, you don't have to have that crystal with you to benefit from the effects of the meditation. If anything that I've talked about in this video or any of the prompts that I bring up during the guided meditation really speak to you, call to you, or trigger you in some way, then that's a sign that you should get some white calcite and work with it some more. And if you are new to the channel, I talk about a different gemstone every single week. So you can learn about all sorts of crystals and gemstones and how they can help you in your everyday life. So if you have not subscribed, then please do subscribe so you don't miss a single video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you during the guided meditation.